fam. So I'm about to make a video for one of my subscribers. He requested me to make a video of the exhaust, PRL downpipe, catted front pipe, the resonator and muffler delete. Sorry, it's kind of windy outside, so I might be talking a bit loud. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drive it in sport mode with paddle shifters, which is gonna be on stage 2, since I already got a Ktuner on it. I'm specifically making the video for him so he could get the sound of it and paddle shifters, everything I could possibly get. And I'm gonna try to get the most best audio for you guys, and it's the best content I can give you guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and help me reach 3,000 subscribers. And I will do a giveaway in between, maybe around once I have 2,750 subscribers, or maybe when I have 2,800. We'll see when time comes. But help me reach 3,000. Without you guys, I can't reach that. So far it's growing fast. Thanks for your support, and thanks for sharing my channel with your friends and fam. And so far everything is going great. So stay tuned and keep watching. We're gonna go ahead for a ride. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and drive it in sport mode, paddle shifters. I hope you guys can see good. Downshift is amazing. Get those pops. I hope you guys could see. That should be good. Yep. Waiting for that red light to turn green. And yeah, I'm gonna put the back windows down a little bit so you guys actually capture the actual sound of the pops. It's aggressive in person, of course, but this is the best you're gonna get. Body kit. So let me turn into this street. This is nice. Streets are quiet, so I'm just trying to go local. I don't want to be stuck in traffic on the highway. This way. As you guys see, it's actually fast too. So we'll start off here. My bad. I didn't think you guys. Yeah, it's messed up a little bit. Yeah, I gotta push it in a little bit more. My bad. so you guys could see. There you go. I'm gonna lock this. Yep, now we're good. Alright, my bad, guys. Alright, back to it. We're gonna go take off. We're gonna try it again. Big bump. Damn, I wish you guys could see more. Yeah, that would be nice. Yeah, guys, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys actually watched it all through, and stay tuned. More videos are coming soon. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.